Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous video, we have learned some date and time functions. And in today's class, we will cover some more date and time functions, which are very useful while making report. So here are the topics guys. And we will cover only these DAX functions in our today's class. So firstly, we will learn about this month DAX function. So let's go to the data view. And here is the order date guys. And if you want to fetch the month number from any date column, then we can use this DAX function, which is month. So let's see the practical guys. So I will take new column from here and I will rename this measure as month. And now I will write my DAX function, which is month. And we have just only one parameter, which is date. So I will select order date from here and close the bracket and press enter. So here we can see guys, our month has fetched out from this order date. So January is the first month, Feb is the second month. So in this way guys, we can use this month DAX function. Now moves to the another DAX function, which name is year. So in a very similar way guys, we can also fetch out the year from order date. So I will click here on new column and this time I will fetch the year from order date. So I will simply type here year and now I will write my DAX formula. And here is only one parameter, so I will select order date here and close the bracket and press enter. So in this way guys, we can also fetch out the year from any date column. So we have one more topic of our class, which is quarter. And this time I will fetch out the quarter from this order date. So simply you need to click on this new column and I will rename this as a quarter. And now I will write my DAX formula, which is quarter. And again I will select order date from here. So we can see guys, our quarter column has added here. So if I click on this filter button, so we can see guys, we have just only one quarter because Jan, Feb and March. So under this order date, we don't have any data after March. So that's why it's reflecting 1 in each and every cell. So in this way guys, we can fetch out the month, year and quarter. So let's go to our next DAX function, which is weekday. Let me quickly click on this new column and I will rename this column as weekday. And now I will write my measure name, which is again weekday. So here we can see we have two parameters. So firstly I will select order date as a date, comma. So to understand return type, let's go to the Microsoft web page. So here guys, if I select 1 here, that means our week is begin on Sunday and on Saturday. And if I type 2 here, that means our week is begin on Monday and ends on Sunday. And if I type 3 here, that means our week is begin on Monday and ends on Sunday. So I will go with this return type 1 and close the bracket. And now let's understand how 7 comes here. So to make you understand guys, I need to create one more formula here, which is not a part of date and time function. I will cover this formula in upcoming class. So for now only, I will just use this formula to understand this concept of weekday. So my formula name is format. So with the help of this formula, I will take out the only day's name. So I am not explaining this formula here. I will tell you in upcoming class. And now go to the reference page. So here guys, we have taken return type as 1. That means it is begin on Sunday and ends on Saturday. So here Saturday is 7. And in a similar way, if you calculate from Sunday, so Wednesday comes at 4. So 9th of February, the day was Wednesday. That is why it is 4. In a similar way, guys, you can calculate these other days. And if I change the interval here from 2, so now guys we can see the Saturday comes up 6th, Wednesday comes up 3, because 2 returns Monday as a 1 and Sunday as a 7. So I hope guys now you have clear understanding about this weekday function. And the last topic of our today class is network days. So guys, this simple function can save you a lot of headaches by removing weekends and holidays from your calculations. So guys, with the help of this network days function, we can omit holidays and weekends. So let's see the practical guys. And let me delete this column first. So I will take new column from here. So this formula guys basically calculate the difference between two dates. But we can omit Saturdays and Sundays and other holidays. So this time I will rename this as network days. And now I will write my formula, which is network days. And look at the parameter guys. So the first parameter is start date. So I will take order date as a start date. And the next parameter is end date. So I will take ship date as a end date. And the third parameter is weekend. So let's suppose if I put it here 1 and close the bracket. So see guys, our result is 5. Although we have a difference between 1 to 7, it's 6. But our answer is 5. And now I will explain you guys how 5 come here. So if you go to the reference page, so here we can see if I put one interval here, that means it will omit Saturday and Sunday. And now let's go to the calendar table and go to the January. So the first of day is Saturday and second of day is Sunday. So it is omitting these 2 days. And it is calculating after 1 or 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's why our answer is 5. So in February guys, our answer is 6. So let's check the February guys. So go to the February. So here we can see guys, if we calculate the difference between 2 or 9. So our answer should be 7. But here answer is 6. Because it is omitting Saturdays and Sunday between 2 to 9. So now let's calculate the days between 2 to 9. So guys, our day starts from 2nd of Feb. So it is calculating Wednesday, Thursday and Friday and not including Saturdays and Sundays. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. It is not counting 5 and 6. I hope guys now you have clear understanding about network days. But still you have doubt guys, so I would recommend please watch this video one more time. So let's go to the reference page guys, and if you select 2 here, so it will omit Sunday and Monday. We have multiple weekend number here guys, so you can choose the day off accordingly. So the network day simply calculate the working days. It is omitting the holidays like Saturday and Sunday, and if we have a holiday list, so you guys can also put the holiday here. So I hope guys now you have enjoyed this video, and if you like the content, please hit the like button, and those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to press bell icon, else you will miss an update. So with the help of this YouTube channel guys, you can easily learn Power BI from scratch. So here is the channel guys, and here are 50 tutorials where I have explained each and every concept in detail. So stay connected with us for more learning about Power BI. And if anyone wants paid interview preparation training as well as full course Power BI training, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn. Link is given under the description box. So thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.